The best gift anyone could ask for. I would love to do this as a gift. Wink, wink, if somebody wants to make me this. What's up, hackers? Ruby here. 'Tis the season of giving, so I thought I'd gift you with some gift-giving hacks. I love the holiday season. It's time to hang out with old friends, sing carols, eat a cookie or two. There is one thing about the holiday season that can really stress you out. Your Secret Santa gift exchange. But don't worry, hackers. This year, I've got some holly jolly gift DIYs that will have your friends wishing to make your nice list. Now it's time to hack your world. It's hard enough to find a perfect and meaningful gift for someone without spending all your Christmas cash. And now it has to be a secret? That's a lot of pressure. But this year, it came to me. Why go out and buy a gift when you can just make it? Last Christmas, I bought you a scarf, but the very next day, you gave it away. How could you give it away? Literally the next day, the very next day. You probably didn't even wear it. This year, to bring you some cheer, I'm making you something special. And you better not give it away this time. I'm watching you. Let's get started. Introducing our first hack, LED name art. I really like this one. I got Goldie, so I decided to do her initials, but you can do somebody's name, a star, a heart, whatever you want. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a wooden board, push pins, strong crafting glue, a pencil, 3 packs of wire string lights, paint, and a foam paintbrush from your GoldieBlox Craft Essentials toolkit. First, paint your board. Try to choose a darker color so the lights really stand out. Next, take your pencil and trace where you want the letters to be. Place push pins at points along the tracing path where you'll want the lights to wrap around. Then, grab your wire lights and start wrapping them around the push pins in the shape of your letters. You may need to hammer some of the pins down during this step. Now, decorate it to give it some extra sparkle. And you're done. Now your friend can have their name in lights. For our second hack, we have these ornament earrings. I've always said that earrings are ornaments for people. So I decided to make my very own ornament earrings. This one kind of looks like a gumball. It's got some pom-pom balls. And this one has iridescent paper in it, so it's extra fancy. And these are super festive. Your friend can wear them anytime. You don't have to just wear them around Christmas time or Hanukkah time or Kwanzaa time or something like that. You can wear them whenever you want. They're just really fun and cute. And let me try them on for you. I personally love dangly earrings because they make me feel like a 80s mom.
80s mom, Tuesdays at 9.
So, let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a set of clear ball ornaments, pom-poms, earring hooks, iridescent foil, and of course, some craft essentials. First, take the tops off the ornaments and fill one with pom-poms. Next, cut your foil down to size with scissors and fill the other ornament. Put the tops back on the ornaments. Then, take your pliers and attach the earring hooks to the top of the ornaments. And you're done! A super cute and festive pair of earrings. Just make sure you don't misplace them on your Christmas tree. Okay, so now it's time for our third and final hack, my personal favorite, a DIY snow globe. I make Goldie 3 gifts this year, which I know is kind of strange, but it's a season of giving. And since I want to try out all these hacks, I figured why not give them all to Goldie? I'm just so kind and nice, obviously. I made this DIY snow globe, but to make it even better, I put a picture of me and Goldie in it. This hack was also super easy and super cheap. I just took an old olive jar. I hate olives, and it's perfect for you if you get your best friend. And it's just really cute, and it brings back a lot of memories. Give it to them, they'll be like, oh, this is amazing, and then they'll love you forever. So yeah. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a photo of you and your friend, clear Legos, clear packing tape, strong crafting glue, Goo Gone, glitter, a jar of olives, and some craft essentials. First, eat all the olives. Ugh. Then, remove the label. Use the Goo Gone to help with all the extra sticky stuff. Then repeat until the jar is nice and clean. Next, take your photo and cover both sides of it with clear packing tape. This will keep it from getting damaged inside the snow globe. Then, take a few Legos and bind them together with crafting glue. Wait a bit for them to dry. Then glue them down to the lid with a small gap in between. Place your photo in the middle and wait for everything to dry. Put water and glitter in the jar and stir. You can also add baby oil to help with water bubbles. Make sure you glue around the edges of the lid to avoid any leaks. Then attach the lid to the jar and let it dry. And you're done! Now you and your friend are trapped in a winter wonderland forever! Mwahahaha! I mean, it's a nice gift. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. Also, comment down below what's the weirdest thing you've ever gotten in a gift exchange. I know every year I always get the craziest holiday socks. Like, do people think I don't have socks? If you want to get or gift your own toolkit, cloud lamp, or any of the other GoldieBlox maker kits, make sure you go to Amazon or GoldieBlox.com. Alright, see you guys next time. Ruby Rails, signing off. Bye! I'm not out frame, I know, I'm still in frame.